Today's Christmas card project has a Southern Hemisphere twist. We begin by cutting out the cardstock using the Cricut Joy. No matter how many times I've worked with the Cricut Joy, this is the step that I am absolutely mesmerised by. With the cutting done, we now begin to peel, pull and weed apart our cut pieces. I want to quickly glue the edges of my transparent sheet, and I can easily do that with the Bostik Glue Tape. Look how easy that was. No mess, no fuss. I have been using painter's tape and generic contact paper to transfer my Cricut Joy stickers with some mixed effect, as witnessed in this episode. To be honest, if you are short on supplies, then these materials are a solution. However, for future projects, I plan to switch to official Cricut contact paper, so I don't have to work so hard with the transfer. I want the Christmas card to have some dimension, so I've applied Bostik Foam Pads to the back of the flowery thongs. We're almost done. Just one final sticker transfer. Ta-da! This episode was made with tools and materials provided by Cricut and Bostik. If you liked this video, please like. If you'd like to see more of my content, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.